Alright guys, I'm just gonna do a video today how to show you guys how to reset the oil life. This is a Volkswagen Jetta. So you put in your key on the ignition, you turn it on. So guys, when you turn it on, that's what shows up. Is it says it's not available, it says oil change is due. So guys, we're going to reset that. So what you do, we just turn it off and we take it out of the ignition. Guys, we come right here, you see right here, we just hold it, just keep holding guys. I hope this thing will just stick here. And then guys, you put in the key. Then once you put in the key guys, you turn while holding right here, you keep holding and then you turn the key.